Hyderabad. I started my journey on 19th of January and I reached here on 22nd. That is yesterday's night to tribute Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I came on my bike to tribute him. My main motto is like we are unveiling big statues and we are renaming the islands on his name. But the main thing is the real tribute is declassification of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose files and INA files. And apart from that, the death mystery should be revealed. If the Renkoji temple is content of Netaji remains, please bring back to India. Anita Bose also clearly said that she is ready for the DNA test. If not, then please tell us the disappearance of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So this is my main motto, and also history books should be also repealed with the facts, not false propaganda or any kind of thing. I request Dharmendra Pradhan ji, the Ministry of Education and also Minister of External Affairs, Mr. Jaishankar ji, and Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji, please do the needful in this matter. And nation wants to know this is not an individual interest, this is a nation's interest. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Jai Bharat Mata ki Jai. I have started my journey on 19th of January and reached yesterday evening. That is probably 9:30 AM. I reached here and I spent like 2 to 3 hours and I satisfied and I went back to the lodge. It is very pleasant, environment. You know where I came? It is forward block, which was established by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And I would like to say thanks to Anush Bhai for bringing me here and introducing Netaji fraternity. We can say the committee members of Indian Forward Black. So here I don't have any words to express, but literally it is one of the awesome place. You must visit this place because you know the history of the INA, Azad Hind Fauj, and different various books, literature. You can go with, you can do research also on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and INA. So please come to here. This is such a wonderful environment. I would like to say thanks to Angshu Bhai because I don't know this place. I read about the Indian Forward Black, but this is literally it gives me energy to do something for the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And here I can find the literature. You can see the volumes. This is the mystery of the disappearance of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Volume 1 and Volume 2. You never find such books in the world except here Forward Black. And also we have another books also, Azad Hind Fauj and Azad Hind. The difference this book is, these are the the media statements which was given by the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and as well as INA statements is also contained in this book. This is for this is for Japan and this is for Germany. Okay, you can go through these books. These are one of the valuable books because we should know who got independence to India. Just because of Netaji and INA we got the independence. Okay, this statement not given by me. This statement given by the Clement Attlee, who was the ex-Prime Minister of England. Thank you. Jai Hind. और अपने गवर्नमेंट भी नेताजी को ट्रिब्यूट देने में फुल्ली 100% सक्सेस नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि रीनेमिंग द आइलैंड्स एंड नेता सुभाष चंद्र बोस एंड बड़े बड़े स्टैचूज अनवील करें तो वो ट्रिब्यूट कंप्लीटली नहीं दिए जैसे एक्चुअली इनफैक्ट द रियल ट्रिब्यूट इज डेथ हिस्ट्री को रिवील करना है और द फाइल्स पर्टेनिंग टू नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस एंड INA